we have a nice game at the end. We always finish our presentations with that. The personal brand one and the LinkedIn one. I'm gonna ask you first here, who here has the habit of doing videos? Your own videos, self, do you? Have you ever done it? You've done it? You've done it? No? Yeah, all the time. He also does it. He also does it. And what if I told you that you would be way more, it would be way easier for you to do in someone else's phone? Think for a second. I'm gonna grab a phone from a person that I don't know, and I'm gonna do a Facebook Live on his phone. Would you do it?
I could give you my phone though, but I wouldn't do it.
All right, but you considered, right? So you thought, okay, it could be easier, right?
Yeah.
All right. But what is that? Is this because in the end you were afraid of what? You were afraid of the exposing yourself to your own network. But if it's his network, that's okay because people there, they don't know you, right? So you do it, the video, right? All right. So the game, it's this. The game, we grab the person besides you, okay? Beside you, yeah. And you're gonna land your phone to her, and she's gonna make a live on your phone, or you can just pop your phone on the front, in front of the other person. And we all do this together. It's a big noise, you can say whatever you like, and just 30 seconds live. We all do it together. I promise it's gonna be really fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do first, me and Jared. Let's do it. Come on, guys. That's our signature move of the events. We gotta do it. I have my video on already. Jared. You and I. See, I will show you how it is. So I will pop my Facebook Live now. Or Instagram. We must be live. You wanna do it? No? All right. Ready? You guys ready? Is this your phone? Yeah. So she should be using your phone. And vice versa. Okay, that's okay. Where is your phone?
My phone is actually at 1%, honestly.
Okay, I have the
3%.
I have never done it like
Yeah, what? Just hit the button there to turn it on. You have phones? You exchange the phones? All right. You guys have it? Where's your phone? Okay, so you lend your phone to him. He's gonna make a live on your phone. Where's the phone? You don't have internet. Where's the code for it? Where's the phone? It's dead. I only have one port, but that's a very good excuse. Where's your phone, buddy? All right, you give your phone to him. Yeah? Put the Facebook Live, and then you are gonna talk, and on his phone, you are gonna talk on his phone. All right? You got it? Don't start now. Don't leave it. Come on. All right. You got live? Okay.
Let's click OK.
Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hello. Oh, hello. Where is my internet? Hello, guys. Oh, that's a nice phone, George. I'm here at the Bank of Ireland. This is our advanced LinkedIn workshop. What are your lives? I can't hear you talking.
Don't forget to buy the book.
Can't hear you talking. You started? All together, guys. So you can say whatever you like. And we, as usual, we do this nice Facebook Live using someone else's phone. So I'm using Jared's phone. You know this guy, right? And we found out that it's way easier to do it someone else's phone rather than doing at your own phone. We have a few people here doing it. Cool. Another. Very good. Very good. All right.
Okay,
You didn't do it. Come on. It's so fun.
basically what we are doing, like
We're doing a live, yeah. See, it's a live and live, live
we are
and live.
learning how to connect in Instagram and LinkedIn, social media.
All right, guys. That's pretty much it. See, amazing. And now what I can tell you now that you all just made it your first Facebook Live video. You didn't do it. You too. No? No. Carlos. You don't have phone. I don't have Facebook. I don't have Facebook. That's awesome. And guys, why the video? Because if you were talking about posting, text and all, the reach of the video. Once you start grabbing the camera, your own camera, and then telling people what to do or how to behave or how to progress about the budget again on camera, you will quickly or quicker specialize yourself in your industry. Set yourself apart. That's the must. The video nowadays is the must. It's the best tool that you can use for that. Trust me, trust me. It's really awkward in the beginning when you do your first live, but very soon you start building your own TV shows. I have my own TV show. We have the one that we do, the Camerapreneurs. I'm beginning now one on Monday. Every Monday morning at 7 a.m. we're starting a new TV show. It's gonna happen every Monday morning, only Monday at 7 a.m. First episode, no one's gonna be there. Of course not. But you gotta engage and start like talking about motivating people when they are really down, right? Monday mornings,